We have to construct a triangle ABCD with three sides given: AB 6 centimeter, BC 8 centimeter, and AC 7 centimeter. We will draw a figure here. ABC we have to draw. AB is 6 centimeter, BC 8 centimeter, and 7 centimeter AC. Let us start the construction. First we will draw BC, which is of measurement 8 centimeter. Let us draw BC 8 centimeter. From this point C, we will draw an arc of radius 7 centimeter. With this point C, I have drawn an arc of radius 7 centimeter. From this point B, we will draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter. This we have taken 6 centimeter. Now from this point I am drawing an arc. This point of intersection is A. Now we will join AC and AB. We will join AC. Now we are going to join AB. This is the required construction where BC 8 centimeter, AC 7 centimeter, and AB 6 centimeter. Let us see another construction. Here in the next question we have to draw an equilateral triangle of each side 7 centimeter. Draw an equilateral triangle of side 7 centimeter. Let us see. For this, here the rough sketch will be like this. In equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal, 7, 7, 7. We can name it as PQR, ABCD, or anything. First, let us draw here. Since we have named it as PQR, we will draw QR of side 7 centimeter. This. Let it be Q and this be R. Now again we will take arc of radius 7 centimeter first from this point R. Don't forget to draw a rough figure before actual construction. This point we have got point P. Now we will join PQ and PR. Let us put scale here. I have joined PQ. PR, sorry, I am next. We are going to join PQ. Thus, this is the construction of the equilateral triangle 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and 7 centimeter. Now, our third construction. Here, we have to draw a right triangle ABC. Draw a right or construct a right triangle ABC with angle B is equal to 90 degree, BC is equal to 6 centimeter, and AC is equal to 10 centimeter. Let us start. First, let us see rough figure. It will be like this. Here A, B, C, angle B we have 90 degree, AC have 10 centimeter, and BC is of 6 centimeter. Let it be point C and this point will be A, it will be easier, 6 centimeter. Now let us start the construction. We have to take BC first. and BC we have of 6 centimeter. This is C, this is B. At point B we will draw an angle of 90 degree. We can take arc of any measure as per our convenience, which I have told in earlier videos also. We will take an arc from here, this 60 degree, another arc from here 120. Now bisector of these two, join like this. This BC is of 6 centimeter. Now I am going to make this 90 degree angle. Here. Now with point C, we will take a radius of 10 centimeter. Here we are going to take a radius 10 centimeter and draw an arc like this. This point will be A. Now we will join AC. We are going to join AC. Be careful while joining. This AC is of 10 centimeter. Thus we can see we have got a right triangle ABC with angle B 90 degree, BC 6 centimeter and AC 10 centimeter. Now I am going to give some questions for practice. First question, construct triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC 8 centimeter and BC is equal to 9 centimeter. Second question, construct triangle ABC with BC is equal to 8 centimeter, angle B is equal to 70 degree, angle C is also 70 degree. Third question, draw a triangle, construct a triangle ABC in which angle B is 120 degree, angle A is 20 degree. Be careful in the construction of this.